Oh, there she is, Kody.
Fired up, boys! Start those engines!
All right, Kody. This is kind of a big moment in terms of the channel, in terms of, man, everything. This is a game changer. What's going on right now?
As you guys, so if you guys don't know, I recently sold TRX back to Danny Boy.
She's still in the family, guys. She's just now under my ownership. But why'd you do that, Kody?
It's just back to the way it was.
Why'd you do that, though, buddy?
If you watched a couple videos back, I said I was looking at a new YFZ. And we've had a hell of a time finding one because they're selling like crazy, but we finally found it. And he said it was on the shop floor for a half hour before we called, so. Yeah, you know, it's just like I really wanted the special edition, not the highlighter yellow one, you know. I wanted the white and black one. And it's just like.
It's the hardest one to find by far.
Anytime you'd call a company, call a power sports dealership, it was already pre-sold, you know. And
finally found it,
finally, we found it yesterday.
So, dude, are you freaking amped, dude? You're getting a new quad today.
New quad.
Kody, you spent a lot of money today, though, buddy.
I know. Don't remind me of that.
But we got like a 4-hour trip to. We're in Minnesota, going to Wisconsin to a dealership to get it.
So.
But yeah, man, pumped. Let's go.
Let's go get it.
Oh man, how do you feel about your son getting a new quad today, buddy?
Oh, I'm excited for him. He'll have a good time with it.
But it's almost like kind of sickening how much he's about to spend today, ain't it?
Yeah, but he's freaking got it, so.
Yeah. A special guest, our buddy Cam, coming with.
What's up, guys?
How you feel, buddy? 4 hours down the road.
Yeah, it's nothing new to me for some things.
Yeah, I told you what you were getting into.
Yeah, he told me what I was gonna get into. I'm super excited for Kody.
Yeah, because you're not big into the quad scene, but.
Yeah, I don't have a quad myself, but I do want to get one eventually.
Hell yeah, buddy. Hell yeah. Everything good, Kody?
Good to go.
It's the right color, 100%?
100%.
I know that was kind of a big worry.
I'm excited now.
We're there, boys. Kody.
We're there, buddy. Getting a little anxious now.
Ah, dang, man. She looks awesome.
Wow.
She looks pretty nice in person, don't she?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Go, man.
I don't know if Kody's gonna be able to handle it.
She looks way nicer in person.
Yeah, he used to have an 08. He rode the hell out of that.
Thumbs up, man?
2 thumbs up.
I can ride this building.
Weed whacker. She looks good, buddy. She looks good. Let's go. She looks good, doesn't she?
I just want to look inside of it. Is it gonna be clean like this for very long?
Looks pretty.
Man, she's nice.
She's nice, man.
Well, Kody did it.
I can't believe it. It's been a long time coming.
Oh.
Sand, boys.
Now we get a good view on the way back.
Yep.
That thing looks freaking nice.
Got her, old man.
Yep, he's got it. It was a long wait, but it was probably worth it.
Yep, probably worth it.
You'll have a good time.
Go, it's in the truck, buddy.
Thing's a way nicer person, boys. These white and black ones. are so hard to come by.
Oh yeah.
You probably have a better chance of finding the highlighter yellow one and black one if you really want that one, but
You didn't want that
I
one,
wanted
man.
the white and black one
You're a
so
picky
bad.
bastard.
I'm a picky bastard.
It's clean. 4-hour drive, it was worth it.
Ooh, ride back's gonna be rough, right, Cody?
So drive back's always the worst part.
But at least we got it, man. We got it. Everything went smoothly. Huge shout out to where are we at?
Rock River Power Sports?
Rock River Power Sports, and where are we? Outside of Madison, Wisconsin?
Johnson Creek.
Well, I don't think I got it on video, but we literally called yesterday because it was just put on the floor yesterday. He was already getting calls about it, wasn't he?
Yeah. He said it was on the floor a half hour when we called. Apparently, he was getting multiple calls last night, so
we put the deposit down, and it was game on.
Very lucky.
Very lucky.
Very lucky.
Everything worked out, man. I mean, they said Yamaha inventory right now is scarce.
Yeah, he
It's
said.
crazy. It's crazy.
He said they waited 7 months on just this unit to come in. So.
We made it.
Right back was a little brutal, wasn't it, buddy?
Yeah, but dude, you got your new quad home.
We came, we conquered. Just go on.
Time to get her out, buddy.
Get her out. What the hell I do? Okay, buddy.
You boys,
Give her a yank.
hold on, I'll pull the truck ahead too.
Good job.
Cameron's got it.
Cameron's got it. Good job, Cameron.
Come on, Cameron. Atta boy.
All right, Cody, your first start, buddy. First time ever starting his brand new quad. Is
We're in golf cart mode for a little bit, though.
How's she feel, Cody? How's she feel, buddy?
Good, buddy. Feels good.
What's Haley think? How is she, buddy? Just coasting in first gear. How is she?
Good. Got her in a second.
Ooh, you can smell the new. Look at that.
Get that freaking.
Get the new off of her.
That's right.
Box, buddy. How she look, buddy?
Buddy, no brakes. Look out.
Jesus.
Hey, god damn, she looks nice, boy. How where you want it, huh?
What I wanted.
Sure now.
Yeah!
Oh yeah, Bombs. You could use one of these, buddy.
Much of a seat on the bastard, is it? I like a wider seat, buddy. That's pretty nice.
For now.
It already feels way different than that clapped out green one I had.
I would hope so, buddy.
Way different. Just had to take her around the yard. Oh, she shifts so goddamn nice.
Yeah. It's kind of nice seeing it from, you know, just my point of view, yeah, camera guy view.
It's kind of just, everything is just so new, man. It feels good. A new 450. First experience, and so far, thumbs up.
Yes, sir.
Hey, man.
Old man's got to take her for a spin.
Oh, now it's the old man's turn.
I was about to... God, I need you to assure people. that you're broke as hell right now, but she will be piped.
Yeah, I mean, that's, I want to be honest, probably the rest of this season, she's going to sound like a weed whacker. But, you know.
You get a pipe on her, my God, she'll be good, won't she, man?
Yeah, pipe power commander on it. She'll be
set, won't she, man?
That'll be down the road, though.
Oh, man, first initial ride, man.
I like it. I don't know if I like it as much as Suzuki.
Hey! Or Bob's a Honda. Honda. Oh, God.
Well, guys, I know we didn't ride around a whole much, but, you know, brand new Kody, got the break-in process and all that stuff. So,
A lot of videos coming with this, huh, bro?
yeah. So, if you guys want to see more of it, be sure to like and subscribe and stick around because this puppy ain't going anywhere.
All right, guys, see you in the next one.